Greetings from two feathered friends of Guelph Humber, the great horned owl and the lesser nightingale. We're delighted to be here today to take part in the Student Community Expression Award to be given to Megan. Megan, congratulations. What a positive impact you've had on the Guelph Humber community and also the wider campus communities. Your nomination letters of support listed a wide range of activities that have made this impact. I've picked 3 that impressed me and show the different ways in which you have enriched your communities. First, your involvement with Ignite in enhancing the student life experience by creating and executing programs like Lunch and Learn and Lincoln Local. The key part you played in advocating successfully with Metrolinx to provide a Presto machine on campus. And serving passionately and effectively on Humber's Board of Governors on behalf of the students who elected you to the board. At the same time, you've maintained a strong academic record. This ability to balance your activities is impressive. Your referees also gave me a clue to your success when mentioning your many personal leadership attributes. I've made a list and I would like to share them. Your infectious smile. Your outgoing, cheerful and enthusiastic personality. Your passion and ability to engage others. Your dedication, selflessness, reliability and resilience. Your honesty and thoughtfulness. Your ability to think critically and strategically. This array of attributes, coupled with the skill to keep life balanced, equips you well for your future. Before closing, the Wise Owl and I want to congratulate you once more on gaining this award, wish you well in your future, knowing you will continue to be an exemplary Guelph Humber ambassador. I also want to say how sorry I am that COVID has meant I am unable to present the award in person, and I have missed the opportunity to see your infectious smile. Take care, Michael.